Do you want to improve your gut health? Are you curious about how your gut health affects your overall well-being? If those questions pique your interest, you're in the right place. Gut health, often overlooked, plays a crucial role in our overall health. It's not just about digestion. A healthy gut can impact everything from your mood to your immunity and even your sleep. It's a complex world in there. Trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and viruses, all living in our digestive system. They're not just along for the ride, they're vital to our well-being. Maintaining a balance of these microorganisms is key to a healthy gut. So how can you foster this balance? We've got 7 tips up our sleeve that can help. From diet to hydration, exercise to stress management, we will delve into each one, providing you with the knowledge you need to keep your gut in check. Stay tuned to discover the secrets to keeping your gut healthy and happy. Tip number 1, maintain a balanced diet. When it comes to nurturing your gut health, a balanced diet plays an indispensable role. Picture your plate filled with an array of vibrant fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. This colorful assortment not only pleases your palate, but also feeds the friendly bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy digestive system. Now let's talk about fiber. Often overlooked, fiber is the fuel that your gut bacteria thrive on. Therefore, incorporating fiber-rich foods such as beans, oats, and berries into your diet is a smart move. On the flip side, processed foods and those high in sugar can wreak havoc on your gut health. They can lead to an imbalance in your gut bacteria, causing a variety of digestive issues. So it's time to be mindful of what you eat. Opt for wholesome, natural foods over processed ones. Remember, your diet is the foundation of your gut health. Scene script. Tip number 2, stay well hydrated. Picture this, a riverbed in the middle of a drought, its soil cracked and barren. This is what your gut can resemble without sufficient hydration. The human body is more than half water, and every system depends on it. The digestive system is no exception. Water plays a crucial role in breaking down the food you eat, aiding in nutrient absorption and softening your stool to prevent constipation. It's like the oil in an engine, ensuring everything runs smoothly. And let's not forget the lining of your intestines. This protective barrier keeps harmful bacteria and toxins at bay. Like a well-watered garden, it flourishes when hydrated, providing a healthy environment for your gut flora. So don't underestimate the power of that clear, tasteless liquid we often take for granted. Keep your water bottle handy, and remember, your gut health is a river that needs to flow, not a dried-up creek. So keep your water bottle handy and stay hydrated. Scene script. Tip number 3, engage in regular exercise. Now, at first glance, you might wonder, what does exercise have to do with my gut health? Well, quite a lot, actually. Regular physical activity is like a magic potion for your digestive system. It aids in reducing constipation and promotes a healthier digestive tract. How, you ask? Well, exercise helps in speeding up your digestion, preventing the buildup of waste in your colon, and enhancing the overall functionality of your gut. Think of your digestive system like a river. Without movement, things can become stagnant, leading to a buildup of waste. Exercise is like a current that keeps everything flowing smoothly, preventing that stagnation. It doesn't have to be anything strenuous. A brisk walk, a light jog, or even some yoga can do wonders for your gut health. Whatever gets your body moving and your heart pumping will do the trick. So, remember to move your body for a happy gut. Tip number 4, manage your stress levels. Now, you might be wondering, what does stress have to do with my gut? Well, quite a lot, actually. When we're stressed, our body goes into fight or flight mode. This can disrupt our gut microbiome, leading to digestive issues. Think of your gut as a bustling city. It's full of beneficial bacteria that help digest food, protect the body from infection, and even influence mood. But when stress strikes, it's like a storm rolling in, causing chaos and disrupting the balance. So, what can we do? Well, stress management techniques can be a game changer. Practicing mindfulness, meditation, yoga, or simply deep breathing exercises can help keep stress at bay. These activities are not only good for your mind, but they also have a calming effect on your gut. Remember, a calm mind leads to a calm gut. In the next scene, we'll explore the importance of limiting antibiotics for a healthy gut. Tip number 5, limit the use of antibiotics. Here's the thing, antibiotics are powerful tools in medicine, no doubt about that. They're like the superheroes of the drug world, battling the evil bacteria that can make us sick. But just as every superhero has its kryptonite, antibiotics too have a downside. When wielded unnecessarily, they can disrupt the delicate balance of our gut microbiome. Imagine it like a lush, diverse forest, home to countless species. Antibiotics can be like a forest fire, wiping out both the harmful bacteria and the beneficial ones. This can lead to an imbalance, making us more susceptible to digestive issues and other health problems. Moreover, overuse of antibiotics can lead to antibiotic resistance, a global health concern. It's like giving the bacteria a chance to evolve and learn how to outsmart the drugs designed to kill them. So before popping that pill, it's crucial to consult with healthcare providers. Remember, antibiotics are not the answer to every ailment. So use antibiotics wisely to maintain a healthy gut. Scene script. Tip number 6. Get enough sleep. Ever wondered about the connection between a good night's sleep and a healthy gut? Well, let me enlighten you. Quality sleep plays an indispensable role in maintaining gut health. When we sleep, our bodies have the chance to rest, repair, and rejuvenate. This is the time when the gut microbiome, the community of beneficial bacteria in our gut, gets a chance to balance itself. You see, when we skimp on sleep, it disrupts the natural rhythm of these beneficial bacteria. This disarray can lead to a cascade of digestive issues such as bloating, constipation, diarrhea, or even more serious conditions like irritable bowel syndrome. Moreover, inadequate sleep can increase our craving for unhealthy food, which in turn can further disturb our gut health. So it's a vicious cycle, really. To maintain a healthy gut, prioritize 8 hours of sleep each night. Remember, a good night's sleep is crucial for a healthy gut. Tip number 7. Include probiotics and prebiotics in your diet. Now you might be wondering, what's the fuss about these two? Well, probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for your health, especially your digestive system. We usually think of bacteria as something harmful, but your body is full of bacteria, both good and bad. Probiotics are often called good or friendly bacteria because they help keep your gut healthy. Prebiotics, on the other hand, act as food for these good bacteria. They're found in many fruits and vegetables, especially those that contain complex carbohydrates such as fiber and resistant starch. These substances aren't digestible by your body, so they pass through the digestive system to become food for the bacteria and other microbes. Now, where can you get these? Foods rich in probiotics include yogurt and sauerkraut, while bananas are a great source of prebiotics. Including probiotics and prebiotics in your diet can greatly improve your gut health. And there you have it, 7 tips for maintaining a healthy gut. Let's do a quick recap, shall we? First, we talked about the importance of a balanced diet. This isn't just about eating your fruits and veggies, mind you, it's about variety. Your gut thrives on a range of different foods, so mix things up a bit. Next, we moved on to hydration. Water isn't just good for quenching your thirst, it aids digestion and helps flush out toxins. So keep that water bottle handy. Our third tip was regular exercise. Now, you don't need to be an Olympic athlete. A daily walk or a bit of yoga can work wonders for your gut health. Then we touched on stress management. Now remember, your gut and brain are connected. Stress can upset your gut, so find ways to relax and unwind. Our 5th tip was about limiting antibiotics. These are life-saving drugs, no doubt, but they can also wipe out your good bacteria, so use them wisely. Getting enough sleep was our 6th tip. Lack of sleep can mess with your gut, so ensure you're getting your 40 winks. And finally, we discussed probiotics and prebiotics. These are your gut's best friends. They help maintain a healthy balance of good bacteria. Each of these tips plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut, which in turn impacts your overall well-being. It's about more than just avoiding stomach problems. A healthy gut can boost your immune system, improve your mood, and even help control your weight. And remember, change doesn't happen overnight. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle, so don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate results. Remember, a healthy gut is the key to a healthy life. Start taking steps towards better gut health today.